Hi students, I'm Sonia from Vidya Guru, starting a new session on current affairs. This is going to be the second part for the month of September 2024. So the current affairs are quite significant. Whatever I deliver, I try to deliver the important points straight away so that they can be there in your exam. If you get any question, if you see any resemblance in the questions which I am teaching you right now, you have the option of coming back to the video and write down in the comment section that you saw these many questions in your exam. I'll be thankful to you guys to do so. Anyway, I'll be starting it. If you like the video, you have the option of pressing the like button, share it with your friends as well, and try to subscribe to our channel. Press the bell icon alongside. That's how you'll receive notifications of all the exam relevant videos. This video will remain in English medium, as you guys can see that. We record such sort of complete English medium sessions for our students from South India or our students from Northeast India, like the students who are in Assam and Manipur, like the students who are in Karnataka, Tamil Nadu, Andhra Pradesh, Telangana, or Kerala. Anyway, let's start. If you're comfortable with the language, you can keep watching it. There is no concern like that. Okay, I'll reduce my speed because there are important questions, important events that I'll be teaching you today. State news is the title from where we are beginning. Although students don't find such things important, but straight away if you get questions in your exam, you should watch the entire video, and believe me, you will see these questions. I hope you understand that if new districts are getting added in a state or a union territory, that question is very, very significant for your exam preparation, believe me. So that question can be there in any exam. So please listen to it carefully. 7 districts are in total in Ladakh. It is a union territory that you already know. Union territory Ladakh has 7 districts now. 5 new districts got added. I believe if there are 14 new names, I would not have taught you the names. Here only 5 districts got added. So I assume you know the names of those districts. If you are not, I'm telling you one by one. That is why you are here. Zanskar, Dras, Sham, Nubra and Chanthang. Zanskar, Dras, Sham, Nubra and Chanthang. See, these are the 5 newly added districts to Ladakh. Now my question to you is that you will be writing down in the comment section, are you familiar with the 2 names, the remaining 2 names of the districts? Like Ladakh has 7 districts in total, 5 recently got added. So I am teaching you current affairs. My job is to ask you certain questions. You have to write down in the comment section those 2 remaining names. And there is one war is very famous in our country, and that name, by that name, that there's one district here. So you have to write down the names of 2 remaining districts in the comment section positively if you prepare for any exam. If you are not aware, you can go to, you can Google it. I want you to answer this question, to be very frank with you. So 5 new districts in Union Territory Ladakh, and the names of, by that, there are 7 districts now. Zanskar, Dras, Sham, Nubra, Chanthang. Now the next question. Sports University, you may have seen Nitish Kumar, inaugurating it. So National Sports Day is the day when Sports University is getting inaugurated in Rajgir, Bihar. Some people have started calling it Rajgir Sports University. So to be very frank with you, by adding Rajgir to it on our own, that's how we'll actually know the location precisely. Rajgir Sports University on National Sports Day got inaugurated in Bihar. The next question is, good morning has already been replaced with Jai Hind in Haryana. So elections are coming. We are referring to schools basically. So in schools, Haryana made it mandatory that students will be using Jai Hind instead of good morning. Like everybody in the school will be replacing good morning with Jai Hind. Haryana state did that. The next one is first state to implement the UPS. It is not that computer UPS. It is Unified Pension Scheme. If you know anything about Unified Pension Scheme, you can write it down. If you want me to tell you, like if you want that I should tell you that, I can also tell you. You can also ask me a question in the comment section. So Unified Pension Scheme is there, and that scheme has actually, been implemented by Maharashtra. That is how Maharashtra is saying it. So first state to implement unified pension scheme is Maharashtra. Elections are on the way, like elections are approaching. Mukhyamantri Majhi Ladki Behan Yojana is from Maharashtra, where they'll be paying some money to girls, to women, and Mukhyamantri Majhi Behan Yojana is from Maharashtra too. Elections are approaching. Here elections aren't there. We are referring to the Congress ruled state, that is Himachal Pradesh. Mukhyamantri Bal Paushtik Ahar Yojana. So Mukhyamantri Bal Paushtik Ahar Yojana. Mukhyamantri Bal Paushtik Ahar Yojana. That means we are talking about the nutrition in kids. Probably they'll be providing them eggs, like nutritious food they'll be serving to kids in school. And that is what the government is doing, government of Himachal Pradesh. Let me help you with the revision part. See, I can read a few lines and then I can move on. But I don't do that. I want you to learn the questions which I'm teaching you. So please focus on it. Don't get bored. New districts in Union Territory Ladakh. 5 new districts. Zanskar, Dras, Sham, Nubra and Chanthang. Sports University in Rajgir, Bihar or National Sports Day. Good morning, replaced with Jai Hind in Haryana. First state to implement unified pension scheme, Maharashtra. Mukhyamantri Bal Paushtik Ahar Yojana, that means we are referring to the scheme which deals in nutrition for the kids, Himachal Pradesh. Mukhyamantri Majhi Ladki Behan Yojana, it is from Maharashtra again. And now we are moving on to awards basically. See, my sole motive was to teach you awards, to be very frank with you in this video. But there are certain things that I wanted to include that I've actually, taught you now. If you're willing to study from us, the numbers are given below. You can dial them. You can, speak with the executives. They'll help you to choose the right course. And if you are not willing to, speak with anybody, you can help yourself as well. You can go to our website, and online.vidyaguru.in is the website where you can go and select a suitable course for you. We provide coaching in complete English medium, like I'm teaching you right now. And there's a course in Hindi medium as well. You can select that. We have live courses, we have video course. So whichever is comfortable, you can select that. Our questions are there in the exams. Believe me, all the teachers will help you in the best manner possible. They'll teach you all those questions which you will directly see in your exam, and have faith in us. Now let's move on to the video once again. It is about 70th National Film Awards. The minute detail of the number, even that is significant. 70th National Film Awards. 70th National Film Awards, that number is even significant. So National Film Awards, Best Actor, Best Actress, Best Supporting Actor, Best Direction and all that. There were students who were writing me once and they said, probably the last year, some students, ma'am, why don't you teach children's film, best children's film? Because they asked such questions in the exam. So I taught them, how can they ask a question when such a thing hasn't been declared? Since 2021, even they have not declared any best children's film, as far as I know. So such a question could only be asked, till 2021 and not further. See, we are studying current affairs for 2024 and not 2021. So they cannot ask you such a question like which happened in that, back then in 2001. So since 2021, they have not been announcing it. The questions are on your screen. As we are starting topic-wise current affairs, awards and prizes on your screen. Best actor, Rishabh Shetty. Okay. Rishabh Shetty, supposedly a multi-talented actor. I haven't seen his work too much. Like, he was there in Kantara, although I've watched the movie. But I cannot comment on that, what exactly happened. Anyway, Kantara was the movie. He was playing the lead and he is into direction only. So he did the direction and he is basically the main lead also. So he got the Best Actor award. Kantara, Best Actor award, Rishabh Shetty. Now Best Actress, Nithya Menon. See, one is for Tamil movie, one girl is, has received it for the Gujarati movie. The languages are significant, try to understand that. Here, Nithya Menon received the award for the Tamil movie Tiruchitrambalam. And Kutch Express, here the girl is Mansi Parekh. The movie is in Gujarati. I'll repeat. Best Actor Rishabh Shetty for Kantara, that you may have seen because everybody was talking about this movie. The second one is Best Actress, in which Nithya Menon received the National Award for Best Actress. Mansi Parekh received the National Award for Best Actress. One received it for Gujarati movie Kutch Express. One received it for a Tamil movie Tiruchitrambalam. And the next question is Best Feature Film. See, this is also Best Feature Film. Is it not in Hindi? It is overall. It is overall. Like Best Feature Film, if somebody asks you Best Feature Film only, then you will be writing it as Atam, the play. Atam, the play. And it is in Malayalam. The language is still relevant, still significant, can be asked in your exam. Please be careful. So, Best Feature Film, Atam, it is basically the play, Atam the play. Malayalam, that's the language for it. Now, Best Feature Film, which is in Hindi category where Hindi, like, movies are there in many languages. So, movie in Hindi which was awarded for Best Feature Film, Gulmohar, and Gulmohar by Rahul Chitela. You have to know the direction, like if it was done by some director and the director has to play some important role, you know that already. So, here the answer is significant. Somewhere I don't find it important, I don't write it, but if I find it significant, I want to highlight it. Best Actor, Rishabh Shetty, Kantara. Best Actress, Nitya Menon and Mansi Parekh. Best Feature Film, Gulmohar, language is Hindi, Rahul Chitela. Best Feature Film, Atam, and it is in Malayalam, right? Let's move on. See, if you are studying irrelevant information about national awards, please don't do that. If you refrain from doing it, that is what I can suggest. Else, that is your choice. Prepare notes. I try to bring not the stories but the important points straight away. And I believe in you. Like before I wrap up, you will be able to learn all these questions. Try to make notes. Please do that. Support Best Supporting Actress. Pawan Raj Malhotra. He is the same fellow who never ages. Whose age is like, he is not aging at all. You can see he is such a great actor, Pawan Raj Malhotra. So he is somebody who should be awarded every time. Best Supporting Actor. And Best Supporting Actress, Neena Gupta, everybody knows her. Best Film, Wholesome Entertainment category, again Kantara by Rishabh Shetty. Best Director, Suraj Badjatia. You've seen the movies of Suraj Badjatia in the past, and if you have not, your parents have. Suraj Badjatia, Hindi movies he makes, and he has actually got it for Unchai. Best Director, the movie Unchai, for the movie Unchai, and this fellow makes movies in Hindi generally. So what happens is, Best Supporting Actor, Pawan Raj Malhotra. Neena Gupta, Best Supporting Actress. Best Film, Wholesome Entertainment, Kantara by Rishabh Shetty. Best Director, Suraj Badjatia, and for Unchai movie, like I'm referring to height, basically you're flying, sort of like you are about to catch some height or reach some height. So it is in Hindi. Suraj Badjatia, Unchai, Hindi. Now with that, please understand one thing. If you are willing to get these questions from me, you can follow me on Insta. We have a channel on Insta as well. You can follow that channel as well, and my own page as well. Because if I have many subscribers, obviously I'll be sharing questions, important questions there also. So you can follow me there on Insta. Anyway, thank you so much for watching, guys. Thank you.